Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn Hashcoin by inviting your friends on the CT Pool mining application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CT Pool crypto mining app on your device. And after you log in, you can enter the mining page to begin your crypto mining. Now, if you scroll down from the home page, you will see the HSH button. And underneath this, you will see the Share to Earn option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can either copy this and share it manually through your desired applications, or you can also share using various other apps directly. After you share this link, whoever taps on it will be able to download and install the CT Pool mining app. And as soon as their sign up is complete, you will get your Hashcoin reward. And you can invite as many people as you wish by using the Share to Earn feature. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to earn Hashcoin by inviting your friends on the CT Pool mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.